sweet friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie of Burlap Alley, and today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day project using this gold charger plate I got from the Dollar Tree. This love sign came in a 2-pack from the Dollar Tree. This folk art paint I picked up from Walmart. These 2 ribbons I got from the Dollar Tree. And this garland I picked up from Hobby Lobby at 40% off. I'm going to put that off to the side and let it dry. Now I want to break this apart. I don't know how much of this I'm going to use. It's a 6-foot garland. It was $10.99, but I did get it 40% off. It's almost as if all the Valentine stuff went so quick this year. I might go back and get another one of these. I really like it. So I'm thinking one right there. I might zip tie these 2 together. I'm going to find another spot on this garland. Right there. Get that out of the way. Right here. Just trimming it up a little bit. I won't throw these away. I'll use them with something. Might use it here. So now I'm going to play with the garland and get them exactly the way I want them. Friends, if you like this kind of content, please give it a like and a share and consider subscribing. It really does help grow my small channel. Zip tie it right there. Just zip tie to the back. Trim it off a little bit more. Oh, that's lovely. Guess I didn't have it all the way in there. Oh well. Go back into the middle. Yeah, I like that right there. Now I'm going to work on my bow. I'm just making a simple bow here. I want 2 loops of each of these ribbons, and I'm going to use the Easy Bow Maker to help me. All there is to making a bow is loop and twist, loop and twist. Just a simple bow. All right, so I like to use zip ties when I'm making my bows. I feel like it makes the tails and the loops pop up really well. Now I use my Easy Bow Maker because I'm doing a 2-layer here, but you can just very easily do it in your hand. I've done hand-tied bows as well. But when you're doing this and you want to use the zip tie, you can use a pipe cleaner too, but you want to make sure you get all your loops and your tails on one side. Make sure it's in that zip tie. And I'm just going to start the zip tie off. I'm not going to crank it all the way down. It's just going to get it started. I'm going to use it to pull it out and bring the zip tie to the back. And now I'm going to zip tie it all the way down. And there's my little bow. I thought about doing a messy bow too. That would be cute, I think. Just cut it at an angle. The tails at an angle. Now I'm going to take this one and wrap it around the middle. I'm just going to tie it off in the back. I will fuss with a bow until the cows come home, I swear. You know what? I think I'm going to put some ribbon around that. so the glue has something to adhere to. Now I'm going to go in with a very generous amount of glue. Place that right in the glue. I'm just going to hold it here for a minute. I might go in some different spots where the garland is touching the plate. Give it some extra glue. I'm going to go in with my bow. Another generous amount of glue. Place that right there. This is what I have so far. This, I'm going to give it another, like, I don't know, 15 minutes to dry. And then I'm going to put some glue on the back of that and place it right down in the middle of the charger plate. All right, friends, I think this is dry enough, so I'm going to go in with some hot glue and just trace it along and then plop it right in the middle of this charger plate. What do you think? I really think this is beautiful. I think it turned out way better than I thought it would. It's very simple and fun to make. All right, I'm going to go put it on my plate in the kitchen. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, friends, this is how it turned out. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.